I don't care how confident you are. I don't care how disciplined you are. I don't care how much you've improved, how much you've healed, or how much you've grown. There will still be days when life hits you so hard, it knocks the breath out of your chest. Days when the unexpected shows up like a storm you never saw coming. Days when everything you built feels like it's falling apart in your hands. Life doesn't wait for you to be ready. It doesn't ask if you're prepared. It doesn't check your schedule or your mood. Life just happens. The unplanned, the unfair, the unbelievable. Maybe it's your business collapsing. Maybe it's your heart breaking in ways you didn't think were possible. Maybe it's your bank account screaming for mercy. Maybe it's your body failing you. Maybe it's your mind drowning in thoughts you can't control. You can break physically. You can break mentally. Your heart can shatter. Your spirit can crack. And every break leaves a mark. But that mark can become a symbol of defeat or a badge of victory. The difference is what you decide to do after the breaking. Because it's not the pain that determines your future. It's the voice you choose to listen to while you're in the pain. Right now, you're walking through a valley between two voices. One voice is fear. One voice is wisdom. One voice complains. One voice believes. One voice blames. One voice grows. Every time you break, you face a crossroads. Fall apart, or rise differently. Give up, or get sharper. Collapse, or rebuild stronger. You can become tougher, wiser, faster, more resilient, more stable, more focused. But you have to choose it. You have to want it. You have to fight for it. You need a reason to keep going. A reason that's bigger than the pain, bigger than the fear, bigger than the doubt. Find that reason. Hold on to it like your life depends on it. Because sometimes it does. If you can find a reason to keep going, you already have the strength to win. You're human, and humans are built to overcome. Every single one of us has the power to push past the darkness if we decide to keep moving. Tragedy hits everyone. Trials hit everyone. But only the ones who refuse to quit rise above the storm. The fight isn't finished. The fight is just beginning. This is your moment to show the world what you're made of. Look at whatever is attacking your life right now. The sickness, the stress, the fear, the failure, and tell it, I can beat this. I will beat this. I must beat this. You've got people to live for. You've got a future to build. You've got a purpose that hasn't been fulfilled yet. Your story isn't done. There are battles in life that don't require money, don't require degrees, don't require approval. Some battles are won simply because you refuse to back down. Tell yourself, I'm getting through this, no matter what tries to stop me. No situation, no setback, no adversity can define your life. Only you can do that. You don't retreat, you don't run, you stand, you fight. You live by what you believe in, and you let the world see exactly who you are. You have staying power. You have endurance. You have a fire inside you that refuses to die. Be encouraged. No matter how broken things look, no matter how many times you've fallen, there is a strength inside you greater than anything around you. Fight your way through this season. Fight through the sickness. Fight through the academic struggle. Fight through the divorce. Fight through the career setbacks. Fight through the doubt. Fight through the pain. Fight through the fear. Fight through the loneliness. Fight through the nights when you can't sleep. Fight through the mornings when you don't want to get up. Because on the other side of the fight is victory. And when you crawl out of that dark place, when you rise above who you were, when you step into who you were meant to be, you'll realize something powerful. The moment you chose to stand back up, The moment you chose to keep fighting, you became unbroken. You became unstoppable. You became the version of yourself that pain tried to destroy. And that version of you, the one who refused to quit, that version is the one the world needs to see. You are not done. You are not defeated. You are not finished. You are rising. You are rebuilding. You are becoming. You are unbroken.